Welcome back to Quiz Splash, where fun meets challenge. Get ready for the Guess the Movie by Emojis quiz. Can you guess each movie before time runs out? Let's begin! And the wild adventure begins with Madagascar. A tiny chef with a big dream ratatouille? Honor, Courage, and Destiny Mulan. Floating into feelings with Up. The Flying Elephant classic, Dumbo. Under the Sea We Go, The Little Mermaid. Sands, Swords, and Secrets, Prince of Persia. Dancing penguins steal the show in Happy Feet. Sweet as Honey, Winnie the Pooh. The Great Chicken, Escape Chicken Run. Monsters on Vacation in Hotel Transylvania. A Magical Journey with Raya and the Last Dragon. Robots in Disguise Transformers. The Masked Hero rides in the Lone Ranger. Bravehearts rise in Brave. Somebody stop me! It's the mask! Cooking Up Dreams and Chef. Lost at Sea with Castaway. Fast Beats and Faster Driving, Baby Driver. Survival Against All Odds, The Revenant. poetry, passion, and purpose. Dead Poets Society. Crime-fighting duo in Turner and Hooch. A deadly outbreak contagion. Time keeps running in Run Lola Run. Racing Toward the Sun, Sunshine. Welcome to the Jungle, The Jungle Book. Strength and Glory Gladiator. Stealing from the Rich in Robin Hood. Firefighters face the flames in Backdraft. One choice changes everything, the butterfly effect. Truth in the Courtroom, A Few Good Men. A Legendary Voice, Bohemian Rhapsody. Music in the Midst of War, The Pianist. Magic and Mischief with Matilda. A Story of Loyalty. Hachi. A Dog's Tale. A Mission to Survive Apollo 13. Perfection has a price in Gattaca. Rise of a Wall Street Legend. The Wolf of Wall Street. Paradise Found and Lost, The Beach. Illusion meets obsession in The Prestige. Teddy Bear Chaos Ted. Silent Nights and Neon Lights. Drive. Words that changed lives. The book thief? Reality isn't always real. The Truman Show. Evolution begins in Rise of the Planet of the Apes. Love Across Time. About time. Faith and Battles in Kingdom of Heaven. Danger on the River. The River Wild. Enter the virtual world of Ready Player One. A powerful story of identity moonlight. That's today's Quiz Splash. Drop your score in the comments, like, subscribe, and see you in the next quiz.